Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Megandeborah and today it's just a quick video on how to make your very own Roblox or Halloween top. Mwahahaha. Now, I understand a lot of people have different Roblox characters with different things, but you could make anything into your own. If you think of a character and you think of their costume, you can break it down and you can make it. If you do not have the money to buy a costume, there is plenty of different ways that you can achieve your character goal. Do not stress about what other people think this Halloween and make your own costume. So let's get into it.
Okay, so to make your t-shirt, you just gotta have your t-shirt ready. I would pre-iron it. I'm going to warm it up in a second. I've got my cutout pizza where I'm gonna be putting it there, just like my Roblox character. I've got my Glad wrap and I've got my baking paper.
This top was $4 from Kmart, and then you could literally go to Officeworks or something like that and print a plain piece of pizza. It's just a piece of paper for what, $1, $2, if that. And then all you need is cling wrap. Cling wrap is $1, $2 at the supermarket, if that. You also need baking paper, which is $2. So in total, you're spending $10 at most for a really cool top. It's definitely something that is cheap and affordable for a one-night costume effect. And then you just follow these instructions.
The chunkier the better, as long as it's flat on this side. It can be chunky on the back because it has to stick. So we're just gonna tuck it, tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Tuck it some more, tuck it some more, like a sandwich. And we're gonna wrap it up this way. And this is all gonna just melt in.
Just a disclaimer, kids, please ask an adult before doing this at home. You are dealing with melting plastic and a very hot iron, and I would hate for you guys to get hurt.
So I'm gonna iron this first, so it's all flat. Okay, so that's all hot. Just seeing if there's any steam in it, which there is, which is good. Now I'm gonna get my baking paper. And now you need to make it big enough for the piece. Line it up where you want it to go. Now, this is sort of in the middle. So I sort of want it like that, in the middle. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. It doesn't matter. Right. Now ready to iron. So you start from one side and you just slowly do it. Don't rush because it's got to melt. And the baking paper is going to stop anything from totally burning. See how it's slowly getting flat? I'm just gonna full on lay it over now. A bit of steam. Hopefully that didn't damage my camera. And now I think it is done, which is the main thing. So, now it looks like a little flat thing. Let's just peel it off slowly. Da-da-da. there we go. Stuck down. Perfect. Now I'm not going to touch it, I'm going to leave it for a little bit to dry.
And that's it. That's how you make your very own pizza top, or whatever you wish to create. There are no limits on what you can do for this Halloween. Anything you make, feel free to tag me. I want to see it. I want to see what you create this Halloween.
Thanks for subscribing, and as I said, I'll be posting my new Roblox character number 2 within this month. I'm just gotta edit it